The Kenworth W900 hood is susceptible to damage where the springs mount. Polyvance has created a kit designed to repair the damaged spring pockets at a fraction of the cost of a new hood. This video will show you how to install Polyvance's Kenworth W900 Spring Pocket Repair Kit. If the center of the spring pocket isn't already torn out, the first thing you will need to do is cut away the edge where the eye bolt attaches. This will allow the casting center to clear the hood. Working in a well-ventilated area, use a small reciprocating body saw to cut out the piece. Leave as much material as possible to keep the maximum bond area between the hood and the casting. Test fit the casting to be sure it fits flush against the hood. If the casting does not fit flush, cut or grind away more hood material. Thoroughly clean the inside of the spring pocket and the surrounding area with Eco-Prep plastic cleaner. Hold the casting firmly in place and trace around the perimeter with a permanent marker. Use a 50 grit Roloc disc to grind the area where the casting will be bonded. Be sure to remove all the paint within the traced area. Using 60 grit sandpaper, hand sand the inside of the pocket to remove the paint and roughen the areas the Roloc disc could not reach. Remove the dust from the area where the aluminum casting will mount. Thoroughly clean the spring pocket casting with Eco-Prep plastic cleaner. Using a 50 grit Roloc disc, grind the mating surface of the casting to make the aluminum receptive to the 2510 Plastifix adhesive. Hand sand to get into the areas the Roloc disc could not reach. Hold the casting firmly in place on the hood and drill the top 5 hole locations with a 1/8 inch drill bit. Loosely screw the casting in place so you can drill the bottom 2 hole locations and then remove the casting. Next, apply a generous amount of 2510 Plastifix over the sanded area of the hood. Use a body spreader to work the adhesive into the sanding scratches and cover the entire area. Apply an even larger amount of Plastifix adhesive to the mating surface of the casting. Install the casting onto the hood. Secure it into place with the included screws, but do not tighten the screws completely. After all 7 screws are in place, finish tightening them using a Phillips head screwdriver. If there are any gaps between the casting and the hood, fill them with more Plastifix adhesive. Wipe any excess Plastifix off the hood. Plastifix achieves maximum strength after 24 hours at 68 degrees Fahrenheit. After the Plastifix has fully cured, you can install the OEM eye bolt into the casting. Apply a few drops of blue thread locker on the eye bolt to prevent corrosion and then screw it into the casting. Use a washer and a nut on the inside of the pocket to lock the eye bolt into place. Once you connect the spring to the eye bolt, you'll be ready to get back on the road.